This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Step to the right on your right foot as you twirl your right hand up above your shoulder. Then step behind your right foot with your left foot as you twirl your right hand back down and point to the right, looking in the same direction. Step back over to the left with your left foot as you twirl both hands up above your shoulders. Then step back with your right foot as you twirl your hands back down, crossing your right arm over your left arm so that you are pointing to the left with your right index finger and toward the camera with your left index finger. Twirl both hands back up as you step toward the camera with your right foot, then twirl your hands back down to point at the camera as you bring your left foot down slightly behind your right foot. Keeping your arms in position, take 4 small steps back, starting on the left foot. While facing slightly to the left, step back a bit on your right foot and move both arms down near your sides. Step in place with your left foot, turning your toes to the left as you swing your arms in, then up and out to either side, with your right arm up and to the right, and your left arm out to the left, both index fingers and thumbs extended. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Repeat this move in the opposite direction again, but extend both arms up and slightly out to either side. Step in a bit with your left foot as you swing your arms down and in as before, then bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you bend your knees slightly and point at the camera with both hands. Hop back on your right foot as you swing your left leg out to the left, then back, and swing both arms out to either side. Lower your arms as you bring your left foot down so that you are facing to the left. Step back a bit on your right foot, then quickly step over to the left on your left foot, then behind your left foot with your right foot, then in place on your left foot. Repeat the last 4 counts, but swing both arms straight up instead of out to either side before lowering them. Step over to the right with your right foot as you extend both arms straight out to either side, palms facing out. Then bring your right foot back in and lower your arms before repeating this move in the opposite direction. Begin curving both arms down and in as you step forward and to the right with your right foot, then step forward and to the left with your left foot as you curve your arms up so that they cross in front of your chest, then out to either side. Step back and in a bit on your right foot as you move your arms up, then bring your left foot back to meet your right foot as you bring your fists down near your shoulders so that your elbows point out to either side. Lower your elbows to your sides, then move them back up as you tilt your head to the right and turn your heels out before tilting your head back up and turning your elbows and heels back in. Keeping your elbows bent, spin your arms in 2 outward circles as you step back on your right foot and turn to face the right. Then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you extend both arms up and out to the sides. Bend your elbows again to spin your arms in 2 inward circles as you step toward the camera on your left foot, turning to face forward. Then bring your right foot up to meet your left foot as you bring your hands up in front of your mouth and bend your knees. Straighten your legs as you step toward the camera on your right foot and spin your wrists in 2 outward circles. Then bring your left foot forward a bit as you bend your knees again and point at the camera with both hands. Keeping your arms in position, take 4 small steps back, starting on the left foot. While facing slightly to the right, step out on your right foot and extend your arms out in front of you. Lift your left knee up as you push your chest out and extend your left arm up into the left and your right arm down into the right. Bring your left foot down, then hop to bring your feet together as you bring your hands back near your chest. Take 4 steps, punching upward on the hey